Sai Kumar Reddy. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. So I'm facing the hair fall issue from last 7 to 8 years, and I used minoxidil from last 5 years. So I'm looking for hair transplant. Just I'm searching in internet or YouTube what are the hair transplant procedures we have in India. So I came across Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic. I'm following from last 1 year how they are doing procedures. I'm following in YouTube. I trusted them, and after seeing the results, I checked few of the reviews in YouTube and in Google. So I trusted them and I came here without consultation. Directly I called Hairfree Hairgrow and I sent the pictures. So they told that this many grafts are you need to take 3,000. So directly I booked the doctor and I came here directly without consultation before. And I didn't use any home remedies, but I'm using minoxidil from last 5 years. The whole environment is very good and very clean. People are very friendly. I'm excited for hair transplant. Just now I done my surgery and 3,000 graft implanted by Dr. Kiran with his team. So the team is very friendly, very cooperative. I don't feel any pain. It's very little pain. Like I took the PRP before, even less than that. So after that there is no pain. So I feel very comfortable and total complete process is very good. I will recommend Hairfree Hairgrow. Come and visit. You will definitely like the clinic. I am completely satisfied. The complete process is very smooth. Thank you, Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic.